Thank you for trusting Budgeto for your financial forecast and budgeted needs. This is where success finds you. Let's enter an example of an expense together. For this example, I am entering my rental expense. First step is to add it to my administration department. Next, I will select the office space category. If you do not see a category that best fits your need, click on the plus icon found here and add your own custom expense category. After, I will select the rental fee expense found here. If you do not see the expense type that best fits your need, click on the plus icon again and enter your own custom expense types to include within your expense category. Next, I will include a comment that says that my rent is due on the first of every month. The cost will be $2,000 per month. Frequency is per month. Starting in, let's select January of 2022. And we do not have an end time right now because there's no expected end in the near future. Payment terms will be 30 days after, so we'll put 1 month after. And it will not be taxable since the taxes are already included in the monthly cost. Finally, I anticipate a 3% inflation every year beginning in January of 2023. I will leave the hypothesis box blank for now. Next, navigate to the expense planning grid below. Here you'll see all your costs per month for the next 5 years filled out automatically, including the 3% inflation that I added earlier. Here you can make modifications where you see fit. Perhaps in 2025, you anticipate the rent inflation to jump to not this amount, but $2,500 per month, and the inflation rate to be now 5%. Notice how the calculations are done automatically. Remember to click Save when finished. Use the Save and Copy feature to make a copy of your current expense and then make minor modifications you need to each one. This is useful if you have similar expenses with different suppliers, sizes, prices, etc. This way you do not have to enter each and every expense one at a time. Now you will see all your expenses in your Quick Edit menu found here. Use this menu to make quick modifications when needed. Remember to always click Save at the end. You can return back into any expense form by clicking directly on the pencil icon here, or by going to yearly or monthly view and then selecting the expense itself. Pro tip, if you use a supporting accounting software like QuickBooks Online or Xero, then you can quickly sync your historical data with Budgeto in just a few seconds. Just make sure your subscription plan includes the bookkeeping software option here. Once you have successfully linked both systems, Budgeto's expense forms will be automatically filled out based on your historical data pulled. You will see all your expenses information here in the Quick Edit menu. Notice the 3% inflation for each entry. This is Budgeto's basic budget estimate. Make sure to review all entries and make appropriate modifications when needed. Access our knowledge base found here for more information on how to import historical data into Budgeto. Thank you again for using Budgeto. We are excited to be part of your budgeting journey.